It's November 11th, 2021. This is here I got a call from a new customer in my town. I'm going to go over there and do a burner service for him. I don't think I've ever worked for this lady before. Maybe my tag's on there or something. Who knows? Maybe I bought the house or... You never know. Miss Molly, you look very stylish today, Miss Molly. Miss Molly, you look very stylish today. Anyway, and see all the leaves are starting to change. It's getting a little nipply at night there, getting down in the 30s. Oh, I gotta get ready for snow, because snow's coming. Won't be long. Probably by the end of the month we'll be getting hit with snow. Maybe this weekend I'll straighten the yard out. I got a bunch of scrapping to do and I gotta get going on that shit. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. I got a little late start this morning. Had to run and get some pipe. Want to get some pipe and some stuff I needed and have in the truck. I don't like to be without stock. Electric heater, huh? Kind of a weird boiler.
Is it?
Yeah, see how the controller's way up high in the piping?
I have no idea what it's
kind of
supposed to
odd.
look like.
Just weird.
But not dangerous, right?
No, it's just a weird setup, you know? We'll figure it out. Crazy. Fucking weird one. It's a Utica Trifire. See what the hell's going on with it. He's not complaining about it tripping out or anything, so that's good. Going wonky on me. Oh, it looks pretty clean. That's a 65. That's a 6570. Yeah, I should run like a 45-degree nozzle on this thing. This type of head, you want to run a 45-degree or 60, not a 70. The controls look good. Don't look bad here. That's a 6570A. I'm going to go with 65, 45-degree, which is less of an angle. That tighter spray pan, that's a better nozzle for this thing. B, which is a solid. This is what they call a triple pass boiler. Kind of odd. Can't even, there's no sight glass for it. it's a fixed sight glass, you can't really look in there. Kind of odd. I like the way the electrodes are set, that's nice. They're set nice there. I like the way the electrodes were set on this thing. I'm going to fire up nicely. We'll check out oil flow. See what's going on with the oil flow. Be a simple one. Just jump out this for now to get it to run. Once I turn it on, I should fire. Check out oil flow. Oil burners are pretty simple. You need oil, spark. Let's see what we're getting from oil flow. It'll tell us what the filters are looking like. Probably fine. Let's fire it up. Let's fire it up. We're fine there. Nice and clean in there. See how clean it is? It's running good. Put the same size nozzle in there. Oh, it's good to keep this closed because you don't get rodents and bugs and whatnot in there. Keep it secure. Last time they were here was 17. Wow. Put one of my stickers on there. So new nozzle, clean burner head, go to oil flow, 0 smoke. The Firematic there. It's running fine. It's good to go. Preventive maintenance is what they call that. Oil pressure looks good. We'll check the feeder. Not stuck. That's good. We fell, not blowing.